I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for informational purposes only. Carlos here, and in this video I'm bringing awesome news for BBIG stock. I've been talking about Vinco Ventures since April, when the stock was trading at $2.53. Since then it went up to $4, it bounced back to 2.8, then it rallied to $6. After that it pulled back a little below $4, then it climbed to $5, then with the recent market sell-off it crashed to $3, and it's currently trading around $3.30. It's been a wild ride so far, with lots of opportunities to make money on swing trades. But in my opinion, the best is yet to come, and that's the topic for this video. So stay tuned till the end. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I publish new videos. And don't forget to smash the like button also for YouTube algorithm. For those who never heard of Vinco Ventures Inc., this is a company focused on acquisitions. Vinco Ventures leverages the new market opportunity by utilizing their BIG strategy, Buy, Innovate, Grow. And their hot deal of the moment is the merger with Zash Global Media and Entertainment Corporation. Zash is an evolving network of synergetic companies working together to disrupt the media and entertainment industry. And as I mentioned in my previous videos, Zash was negotiating the acquisition of TikTok rival Lowmotiv. Well, right now Lowmotiv's deal is a fact, it's closed. This is a Benzinga article released today, July 23, where it reads: Zash Global Media, Vinco Ventures complete acquisition of TikTok rival Lowmotiv. But this is not big news because people who are following this story already knew that. The big news in this article is this line here that says: a third-party valuation shows the value of the combined Zash and Lowmotiv units at $5 billion based on Sensor Tower data. $5 billion is a real huge valuation, especially when compared to Vinco Ventures' market cap of $144 million. And this is where the opportunity lies. The article also says, Lowmotiv will change its name to Lowmo and complete a full rebranding and repositioning campaign in North America. Lowmotiv is also expanding in India, a country with over 350 million social media users that can't use the banned TikTok app. Lowmotiv CEO Paul Young said, "This is an exciting time for us here at Lowmotiv, as we're building one of the largest short-term video platforms in the world in such a short period of time. With this acquisition, we are taking Lowmotiv to the next level and combining new touchpoints in the media and entertainment industry, such as syndicated television and music, with short-term video and user-generated content, which is currently one of the fastest growing segments. We are very well positioned to be one of the top video platforms for the long term. Just in the short time we have been together, we have seen tremendous growth from the marketing and positioning strategies brought from the Zash, Vinco Ventures and ZVV Media team. I am excited about the future, which looks bright for us." So, what's next for BBIG stock? As you saw, Lowmotiv acquisition is completed, but the merger between Vinco Ventures and Zash is not done yet. The next big catalyst will be the announcement of this merger completion. That is expected to happen before the end of August. So, in my opinion, there is the potential for a short squeeze in the near future. Wish you the best and thanks for watching.